Ad hoc landfill and dam site practices linked to urbanization and land scarcity have made waste treatment and disposal an uncomfortable topic in Ghana. Current waste treatment and disposal practices has posed a major threat to the health of the citizenry. It's in this light that the Jospon Group has introduced Africa's biggest compost recycling plant, Kumasi Compost and Recycling Plant.
Kumasi Compost and Recycling Plant Limited, KCAP, is a mega-scale municipal solid waste treatment facility set up to receive and process waste from Greater Kumasi and its adjoining community. KCAP, as we speak now, is the biggest facility in Africa to receive and process municipal solid waste. Again, the tunnel system, when we mention KCAP, our main product is compost, the organic compost. And the tunnel system is the first to be used in Africa by KCAP.
This solid waste treatment plant, set up to receive and treat municipal solid waste from the Kumasi metropolis and its adjoining districts, have different plants serving different functions in the compost production chain.
What we are now standing as a sorting plant. The reason for this plant is to make sure that we receive the waste in a mixed form. And this waste is segregated or separated in their various fractions. So we have the organics, the plastics, the paper, the metal, the glass, textiles, what have you. What these plants do is to separate each of these waste in their various fractions so that we can get the organics for compost production, the plastics, the papers, metals to be semi-processed to feed the plastic, paper and metal industry.
Apart from compost production, KCAP also semi-processes inorganic waste into pellets, bales and others.
Apart from the compost production, we don't only receive organic waste on site, we also receive the inorganic waste. So the inorganic waste are in the form of the plastics, the papers, the metals, the textiles, the glass and all. What we do is to semi-process these forms of inorganic waste. The plastics are pelletized or shredded to form the basic units for plastic production. So we can use them to produce the plastic bins, plastic buckets, all other plastic products. Apart from that, we also semi-process the papers and feed the paper industry.
But why the introduction of organic compost in Ghana?
The organic compost rejuvenates the soil and gives the crops the required nutrients, and it also helps in keeping or protecting our soil for longer periods. What we seek to do is that because we are all looking at getting organic food crops to eat, the organic compost is the best that can actually serve that purpose.
KCAP is also set to reorient the minds of Ghanaians on the importance of organic compost. It is also worth mentioning that the Kumasi Compost and Recycling Plant produces compost to support government's Planting for Food and Jobs initiatives. For Metro News, Shedrack Odami Ejari, Esreswadija, Kumasi.